Hi, right now I want to show you how to write your paragraph in the Google Documents. So first we need to go to our class website, pcc.edu/staff/Tara-Larson/. And then we will go to the little gray box and I'll find week 2 because that's the week we're on. I'm going to go to week 2 and I'm going to go down to the practice. I have the dictation practice, partner practice, and here I have writing. So here if I look at the writing, I see 2 bullet points. So here are the instructions. Write a paragraph, 7 or more sentences about your daily routine. What do you normally do each day? And then it says click here for more instructions. So this will give you actually an example. So I click here, I can look at an example. This was written by another English teacher at Hillsborough Center. Her name is Sandra. So if I want to read this as my example, so I can get some ideas, you can see this paragraph is more than 7 sentences. Your paragraph needs 7 sentences or more. You can also see that it starts with the main idea. We call this a topic sentence. And it also indents here. There's a space here before we start the first line of the paragraph. That is called indenting. So here I have my example. And on this one down below, I have some other tips that we'll talk about in class about writing your paragraph. So after I read that, and I think I understand what I need to do, I need to go back to the class website. So I'm going to click back. And then I'm going to look at the second bullet point. It says you can type on your Google Doc, find your name, or you can write in your notebook and text a picture to Tara. You can choose whichever you are most comfortable with. If you want to do the Google Doc this way, you click Find Your Name. And then here, it's in alphabetical order, the name of all of the students in our class. So you would find your name and click. I'm going to click on Anibel's. Click. Maybe double click. And here, I just wrote, you can do all of your writing on this document. I will make my comments and corrections in red. Please do not erase your old writing. So here I would write what it is. I'm going to say week 2. Okay, and then I'm going to write my title. Titles are usually capitalized. So if I go to this button here at the top, I click the arrow, I can see that it needs to be in the center. So I click this one, center align. And so then I'm going to talk about my daily routine is my title. Now I don't want it center again, so I'm going to click up here. And I'm going to click it on the one that has left align. And then I press the tab key, so I space over. And here is where I start writing. My routine is usually the same every day. Okay, and then I can start typing my ideas. Okay, and the nice thing about this Google Doc is that I shared it with you, so you do not need to do anything. All you need to do is type, and when you are finished, you can close this, and I will be able to see it. Okay, so once again, we go back. I don't know if the computer lets me. Okay, so here, Here I go back to the class website, go down to the practice writing, and here's an example. But when I'm ready to write, I click on this where it says Find Your Name. Then I find my name or your name, and you double click, and then you will see, and here it saves what I wrote. So you do not need to do anything special. Okay, I hope that this helps you. Please let me know if you have any questions.